Hello, my name is Shauna Morris, and today is Sunday, April the 26th. Welcome to week 7. Well, it's the end of week 7. We're about to be in week 8. This has just been such a crazy semester. I just want to say thank you so much to the professor. You've been amazing. You've been so wonderful, so understanding during this pandemic. We have yet to face this. I know me personally, I have yet to go through this in my nursing career. It's something that I completely did not expect. Never would I have thought we would be forced to homeschool our kids. You know, a big shout out to all the teachers. But let's get started with our review. This is on our Kirby-Bauer diffusion testing. So this week we did our agar plate, and then we put after we poured our agar, then we placed drops of our culture from our S-epi, and we waited for it for about 2 hours, and then we went back with our antibiotics. So we had 3 different ones. They're right here. And so it took to the penicillin. It was resistant to the most. Second was the gentamicin. And lastly, it was resistant to our Novacin. I thought this was a very good to know, and then especially measuring in millimeters the resistance. So we had 10 millimeters for the penicillin, 25 for the gentamicin, and 40 for the Novacin. So based on this experiment, we determined that the bactericidal antibiotics kill bacteria, whereas the bacteriostatic antibiotics slow their growth and or reproduction. And then my hypothesis was that it would be resistant to the penicillin. I'm sorry, I'm sweating. I'm trying to wait until late, but our AC is not working, so it's extremely hot. It's 100 degrees where I am in the Inland Empire. And I just want to again go over penicillin. Now, naturally, penicillin is found in soil, decaying vegetation, air, and other common contaminants. Penicillin, it works by attacking the cell wall of bacteria. And so it's best to kill the staph and strep bacteria infections. Well, there we have it. And then we went over and we looked at our penicillin through our microscope. And so we were able to label the conidum, a string of Candida, and then the phyllolide. And so bacteria grows by binary fission, while fungi grows through branching and elongation. So penicillium is a gene of a fungi, which has a major role in antibiotic production. So bacteria has a soft cell wall, which penicillin does not. And so if I were to have streaked with S-epi and the other half with penicillin and incubated for 1 week, what would my results been? So I would expect that penicillium to express a zone of inhibition because penicillium shows a small zone with the S. epi. I would expect that the bacteria would still successfully grow in the majority of its half of the agar plate. All right, well, thank you so much. And you guys stay blessed, stay safe, and have a great day.